Is watching pornography considered cheating? Some people say, no way, it's just fantasy. Others feel deeply hurt by it. So who's right? Let's unpack this. Infidelity isn't just about sex, it's about betrayal, it's about secrecy, broken boundaries, and the loss of emotional safety. For some couples, watching porn is openly discussed. It's not a betrayal because there's no deception. In this type of relationship, the couple is honest and open about the choices they are making. They openly discuss their choice to watch pornography, either with their partner or alone. But in other relationships, one partner may feel that turning to porn is deeply wounding. If one partner is watching pornography in secret, it creates a rift in the relationship. And here's why. They didn't just lose trust in your behavior. They lost trust in your openness. They feel replaced, compared, disconnected. The real question isn't, is it technically cheating? It's, did this violate the trust in your relationship? Because when something hurts, it matters. When something is hidden, it's not just about the act, it's about the choice to hide it. So yes, for some, pornography use can absolutely feel like cheating, especially if it is done against someone's beliefs or it is done in secret. It's emotional betrayal, it's secret intimacy, and it matters. But this isn't about labeling, it's about listening. It's about honoring your boundaries. It's about having the courage to talk honestly, even when it's uncomfortable. So is pornography use considered cheating? It depends on your relationship, your beliefs, and your ability to openly communicate within your relationship. Pornography in itself is not considered cheating, but if it is done in secret against one partner's desires or an addiction, it would classify as betrayal. If you're hurting, your pain is valid. If you're confused, you're not alone. And if you're wondering how to rebuild trust, keep watching. We're here to help. Subscribe to After Infidelity, What Now? For honest, compassionate guidance every week.